Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Pherl TV. For those who are just new to this channel, please don't forget to give a like, comment, subscribe and ring the bell button so you will be updated whenever I have new vlogs uploaded, okay? You want to watch a vlog? By the way guys, I'm a mommy chef engineer, but right now staying inside the house because I have decided to leave my job and become a home-based mom to take good care of my daughter, okay? Welcome back to Pherl TV. Welcome to another video, okay? So today I wake up and thinking so many things, okay? So out that there's a voice within me that is saying that I need to unbox the gift, okay? So accordingly, I need to unbox a gift today in front of you, okay? So I will be showing you gifts that I need to unbox, okay? Are you ready? I have just woke up, okay, but I already take my breakfast. And I decided to sit in front of you guys to share with you, to unbox with you the most important gift that I received, okay? So, ta-da! Here is one of the gift unboxing of the most important gift, okay? So, are you ready guys? Buksan na natin, okay? Ano ba ang laman ng regalo sa akin? Chan, chan, charan, ang bigat. Arena. Okay, so ano kaya laman nito? What is the content of this? Anong laman nito? Okay? So, bubuksan na natin. Oh my God. Okay? So, wala. Wala siyang laman, okay? What is the bottom line of this story? Of unboxing box without something? Okay? So, the most important gift that I received are invisible, okay? Invisible. It's God today who have influenced me to tell in front of you that the most important gift in the world is not visible into our naked eyes, okay? The most important gift in this world is love. Okay, love. Ayan, nasa damit ko pala. Hindi ko sinasadya, nasa damit ko, no? Okay? So, the most important gift that I received, not just today, but throughout the year 2020, is the blessing from the Lord. Okay? A happy family, safety and protection of my family. We've been protected against this crisis, this pandemic, okay? Ano pa? We're always given with a peace of mind and peace of heart. What more? Okay, what more? I found friends here in YouTube. You guys, you are my gift from the Lord. You are the gift from the Lord, okay? My friends in YouTube who are supporting me from time to time, my members, my super chatters, all my subscribers, and other people who are fond of supporting Pherl TV, okay? So guys, I am very much thankful to all of you for being my friends, okay? My friends in YouTube, or not just in YouTube, okay? I prayed for all my friends every time I prayed to God, okay? Regardless if they are virtual or, diba? So, right now, friends are almost virtual kasi we don't have the time to bond one another, okay? So, it's a blessing from the Lord to be engaged here in YouTube platform. because we gain many friends again, okay? So the content of this video is to remind each one of us that the most important gift in the world is not tangible, okay? It's not tangible. It's not visible into the naked eyes, okay? So praise the Lord for giving me this beautiful topic early morning. He had reminded me because I sit down in the chair early morning. I used to drink my coffee and I read the book, the God's message for each day, okay? I have a book, God's message. This is one of the book that I read every day, okay? So what's nice also, ang ganda ng content din ngayon na nabasa ko. Sabi dito, contagious faith. So right now, I'm trying to share with you my faith, okay? So thank you so much, guys. I hope you would love to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button. And I hope this vlog is a contagious for you to get reminded with that things are just things. They are fading. But the love of God is forever, and the love of God should be shared to each and every one of us, okay? Let's be reminded that if there are trials, if there are problems, if there are challenges that comes in this life, they're all passing, okay? They are not permanent. So we should not think negatively about the things that is happening to us, okay? We should be grateful, okay? For example, this year 2020, we have so much ailments in the world, okay? Lots of ailments, okay? But by the grace of God, we are kept away from this crisis, okay? We're affected, but we are not drowned, okay? We're affected, but we are not drowned. Why? Because our hand is still holding to God, okay? Our faith has saved us, okay? So thank you so much, guys. Good morning.